Welcome to another Sleepy Dog construction video. Today we are showing you the process for installing decorative sidewalks using brick pavers. The process starts off with 5 inches of 3,000 psi reinforced concrete. 2.5 inches of torpedoed sand or mortar sand is placed on the concrete and compacted to 90% of the dry density. The pavers are a clay brick with dimensions of 8 inches by 4 inches and 3.5 inches thickness. The pavers have a beveled edge on one side. The beveled edge goes down. The contractor places string lines to ensure that the pavers are straight. The first brick is placed and checked to make sure it is square. Once it is in the correct place, the pavers can be set. Once the pavers are installed, it's time for the sawman to make the cuts. The curb holds the pavers in place next to the street. The pavers at the edge must be mortared in place to prevent them from moving. This is the final product. The contractor has removed some of the pavers and replaced them with truncated domes. All of the pavers are in and secured.